The deployment and status dashboard is going to be my one-stop shopping for any of the day-to-day operations. So here is where I'm going to go ahead and sort, see the machines that I want to work on, and from there I have the option to do a few things. I can install or uninstall the devices. I also have the auto install settings that come from the Webroot settings section. If I enable auto install for Vance in this case, I can include and exclude machines. What I'll see here is the icons indicate which ones are excluded or included. Lots of information here to work with. If I'm looking to remediate on this particular machine, I can simply just go ahead and run a cleanup. So here's where I'll be able to pull a lot of other options. And then if I click on a W, I will get a new window, and that new window will show me all kinds of Webroot settings, tons of information about the machine, and then I'll be able to see the threat history as well.